here at Clarksburg Mack, one of the oldest, busiest shops in the country. We have a truck behind us that belongs to one of our testing partners, Savage Services. We're conducting an engine teardown. This truck currently has over 300,000 miles on it. We're going to take the parts and see how well the engine oil is performing inside. And it's running one of our products, Mobil Delvac Extreme 10W30 synthetic. Savage Services hauls daily ash, coal, and rock out of the local mines and power plants with hot summers, cold winters, and extreme driving conditions. A lot of slopes, winding turns, it's the extreme of the extreme. To prove the superior engine protection and fuel economy of Mobil Delvac Extreme 10W30 synthetic, we've really put this engine to the test.
Anything that moves on this engine and it's taken apart, I will have a rating number for you, such as the camshaft, rocker arms, all the bridges. I also look at the piston rings, bearings, and the liners. That's very important to look at.
They have factory marks on the bearings when they're brand new, and they're still there. And it's unbelievable that there's no wear whatsoever.
Right now it's just checking for stuck rings. Everything is free.
Everything looks good. I'm impressed that the crosshatch and these liners are still evident with a truck with over 300,000 miles.
That's correct, Ken. It is all original. It's all there.
Very clean.
That looks brand new.
Virtually no wear.
You can put them back on the truck if you like. This engine is still in very good health.
Savage Services is seeing increased fuel economy and enhanced engine protection. Mobil Delvac currently has his company on an extended ODI program past the OEM recommendation. So taking a look at these parts today, we can now say that we would like to push their oil drain interval out even further, ensuring that these trucks are on the road with no downtime. Seeing how clean these parts are really shows us the importance of using the right lubricant. And if this oil works with Savage Services, it can work without anybody.